Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe on the bottom of this page, and remember to turn that bell notifications to get notifications when I do upload new videos. And if you're not following my social media, you can follow my social media, Makeup Artist 27, and that will be Facebook and Instagram. I'll put it here, and it's also linked down below, so you can just click and follow. Remember that I'm doing multiple giveaways as soon as I reach the certain goals I want to reach. And yes, I'm gonna go ahead and get started into this video. Alright guys, so today's video we're trying out a new foundation. You already know, foundation try-ons. I love when I order new foundations and I just want to try it, see what it's that people are talking about, see if it does what it's supposed to do, cover, all that stuff. So there's a new foundation Juvias Place just released, and it's the multi-purpose foundation stick from Juvias Place. I already have the matte, I think it was velvety matte foundation. I'll put the review on top of here so you guys can go watch it. And that one, I have that on the I do have the concealer, and I do have the setting powder. So I just ordered this one, hopefully that I did the right shade, because I thought it was gonna be similar names to the foundations, but it's not. It's different, completely different names. I kind of went by what I ordered, like looking on the descriptions, like undertones and all the stuff. So let's go ahead and I'll tell you what it says. It's paraben free, phthalate free, sulfur free, gluten free, and the contour, conceal, correct. Formulated to feel like skin or shade stick. It's a weightless multi-purpose formula that glides on seamlessly to cover imperfections while giving full definition to face. This full coverage formula is infused with chia butter and oil controlling ingredients to aid in a long wear time while providing radiance to skin. Yeah, sounds very interesting. Apply in strokes and blend with a sponge or a brush. And as always, I usually do brush and sponge so you guys can see the difference and see which one side you look better. Does it look the same? Does it really matter? So I ordered the color Manila, and it comes like, you already know, the stick. And this will give me, oh, it's 34 ounces, 0.34 ounces. That's 9.7 grams, which is not bad. 24 months. This is how it looks. Kind of looks really weird now that I like open it. I don't know, it's just weird. I see like it looks like it was like there's like hairs. Oh gosh, I'm being so freaked out like with all these things, lipsticks and stuff. I don't know, but I'll swatch one just to take whatever it is, and then it looked like it was swatch. I don't know, weird, but but this is the color. If you guys see, that's the color right there, which is pretty much similar to my color. I put it like on my underarm when I got it. Oh, it was swatch because I did swatch it. Okay, that's what it was. Okay, I'm not going crazy. I did swatch it for the first time the other day when I got it. I put it on my arm and to match, to see if I was the matching. So I was like, that's crazy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some stripes, and then we're gonna do half of the face. I'm gonna do just stripes on this side and then stripe on that side, that way it doesn't get dry. First of all, let's prime the face because I haven't primed my face. Let's see, let me see if I can find I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, because you know you want to be poreless, like less pores. Alright, let's use this. and I'm gonna swim you guys more now. So I'm gonna use the N6 brush from Morphe. And I am just going to do some stripes. It's kind of like my color. Yeah, it looks like my color. Yeah, it's a perfect match, actually. And now we're gonna do sponge. Let's see. This sink in. Same thing as before. Let's see. Let's see if I have a So my battery just died, so that's why I just cut off, like something happened. So I have this here. It's not that bad. I actually like more this sponge. I guess because it's like a little stick. I don't know. And I actually got a better match than the matte velvety one. The velvety one was okay, but it was not a good match, kind of. It's not bad. So it's not bad. This is the this is the brush side. I don't know if you guys are able to see like the difference. This is the brush side. This is the sponge side. I don't know, but I kind of like this sponge more. It's like a better finish than. Of course, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the Juvias Place concealer and the setting powder, so we keep it Juvias Place, you know. Let's see. I have the concealer here. And I have the powder, so I'm gonna use these. Of course, we're gonna use these because why not? If it's with their brand, it should still work with this. So now let's just blend. Oh yeah, it looks really, really nice with this stick. looks super nice. I like the coverage it's given with this foundation. And of course we got the Juvias Place powder. Setting powder. I have the Jeffree Star Morphe sponge. I love this to set powder because I just go like that. The only thing about this is like super thin powder because it's finely thin. I think what it's called. I think that's what it's called. Alright, we're done. We're set. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit and then I'll be right back with everything else and I'll give you my thoughts on the foundation. So be back. Well guys, I am back with everything on it. I finished the rest of the makeup and this is how the foundation is looking. Not bad at all. I totally love this foundation. Love how it's looking. It's not creasing yet. Everything is setting up really nice. Lips are done. Everything is done. I kind of love living for this foundation. Super simple, you know, something that you can do really fast. You do the stick fast, nothing liquidy, nothing going over the shirts or anything like that. So yeah guys, I do approve this foundation. This foundation stick, super fun. It really matched my skin tone. This is the color Manila, so if you guys kind of look like me, you can use Manila. But yeah, this was a truly match color, thankfully, thank God, because usually I buy foundations and it's like, it's not my color. It's either little bit too dark or something like that. But yes, I loved it. Definitely like more the one with the sponge side, but it's the same thing, you know. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do try the foundation stick, let me know what are your thoughts on it. I want to read everybody's opinion. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.